उनका अगर तुमने वैल्यू ऐड किया तो इट बिकम्स द 10th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड जीडीपी वाइज.
कौन सी टॉप कंपनीज होगी? गिव मी
I mean Google. I mean that in itself.
Apple also sort of Stanford.
Apple sort of. Apple is actually,
But छोड़ दिया था ना, था तो Stanford में ही.
He wasn't in Stanford. He never studied in Stanford.
Okay,
he was
but
from
he took a course in Stanford, no?
Yeah, he only gave a convocation speech at Stanford.
Are you
but
sure?
Yeah. He was from Reed College.
Okay.
Steve Jobs. But क्या पता है कि a lot of engineers like Apple was Cupertino, na? A lot of engineers were from Stanford, were from Berkeley. Right, so
but in this movie he's shown walking in Stanford.
I don't think so. So he was in Oregon, जहाँ पे रीड कॉलेज था, जहाँ पे वो कैलीग्राफी का वो सब क्लास लेता था. स्टीव जॉब्स वाज एक्चुअली नॉट अ पेडिग्रीड पर्सन एट ऑल. लाइक ही डिड नॉट हैव. That's a great story कि कोई ब्रांड नहीं था उसके पास.
Nice.
But he ended up giving the convocation speech in like the Stanford. So there are massive companies that have come out of Stanford, and the list goes on, and I think India needs a Stanford moment. I think it needs somebody to put a foot down and say that youngsters today need to build.
Do you think IIT Delhi is doing in some sort? क्योंकि वहाँ पे एटलीस्ट लोग इस चीज़ से तो इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं ना कि उनके एल्यूमिनाइज ने, उनके जो सीनियर्स थे, उन्होंने बहुत crazy life में वेल्थ क्रिएट करी for the country.
I think
there's Flipkart, there's Zomato.
Yeah.
These are like great big examples.
Yeah.
Now Meesho as well.
Yeah.
Right. सब एक ही hostels हैं as far as I know.
Yeah. So IIT Delhi, BITS Pilani is also doing it. A very good job. They've got incubators. They're trying their level best. But I feel that IIT Delhi has a branding problem. In the sense that I feel that their brand for getting great jobs is so high that I feel that it's still attracting people
who want
to do jobs. But I think it's changing. Like I'm pretty sure that if you were to go to the IIT Delhi campus today and ask them how many of you will eventually want to do a startup, I think 80% लोगों के हाथ ऊपर.
A large number will say
80%. But बच्चे तो बोलेंगे.
Because Sachin, Dipinder, they've become the poster boys in the country.
Yeah. And that's what I feel. That मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there need to be enough universities that are born. And I feel that India's Stanford as a tag is up for the grabs. I don't think that tag exists right now because I think there's an ecosystem that you need to build. जैसे Stanford के side में there is Stanford Research Park that was built. ये सब होना पड़ेगा for that to be built.
Would you do it for your students? कि आपके student ने किसी ने startup बनाया and then because you're connected with let's say all the top startups in the country, उनके founders को will you try to bat for them and be like कि इनसे ही खरीदो?
Yes.
By using your influence.
Yeah, matlab, that's the cold